Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to an Ubuntu Linux machine from a macOS device. Now I'm on the Ubuntu Linux machine and we'll need to install XRDP on this Ubuntu Linux machine. And then once we install it, we need to make sure that it's enabled and started. And then we'll need the IP address and the username and the password to input into the app we'll be using on the macOS device. So I'm just going to use the terminal here. I'm opening the terminal and then I'm going to begin by updating the package repositories. I'm gonna do sudo update and password. Okay. Next we'll install XRDP. The command is sudo apt install XRDP. We'll do -y here. Let's check the version, XRDP version. Okay. We'll go ahead and enable XRDP. We'll use the commands sudo systemctl enable XRDP, and then we'll start XRDP services. Start XRDP. Next, we'll check the status of XRDP. We'll say systemctl status XRDP. Now we see that it's enabled. That means that every time the system is rebooted or restarted, the services are going to run and it's active and running. So finally we need the IP address. So we need the IP address of this Ubuntu Linux machine. We'll find the IP address using IP address command. Now the IP address is 172.16.1.101. Now since I'm going to be using the same username to log into this machine, I'm going to go ahead and log out. Let me log out. So okay, on the macOS device we'll be using a tool called Windows App. Now if you open your App Store, you should be able to search for Windows App. This one was previously being called Remote Desktop. Just install the app if you don't have it installed, and then go ahead and open it. Okay. Now once you have the app open, if it's your first time using it, you're not going to have any connections saved. You can start a new connection by clicking on this down arrow up here and add a PC. Then you'll need the IP address for that device. In our case, it's going to be the IP address for the Ubuntu Linux machine, so which was 172.16.1.101. So credentials are required. I'm gonna put the username that I'm gonna be using. So you can add here. You can add the username and the password. You can just add credentials, and then you'll need to input the username and the password. For me, I already have the username here and the password that I've used previously, so I'm just gonna select it. The rest I'm just gonna leave as default. Click add, and this is the connection right here. Now to connect to the device, just double click on that. Okay, it's gonna warn you that the device is not verified. Just click connect. Okay, so I'm connected, but it's it took a full screen here. So let me see if I can minimize the window. So this is the connection, and I'm just gonna open the terminal. So at the top you see the IP address for your connection or for the device you're connecting to. It's 172.16.1.101. Like I said, if I open the terminal, okay, inside the terminal I can check the connection using W, and it should show there is this connection right here. You can also look at the logs. We can say let's use journalctl, and then we'll grab this to XRDP. See if it says anything about the connection. So this is the connection right here. Okay, login successful from user Eno on display 10. So that tells us that yeah, we were able to log in remotely using XRDP. So that's all for this video. That's how you can use XRDP to connect to your Ubuntu Linux machine from your macOS device. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.